Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 3 SP23 Hatch, stock reference number 5558. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, radiator grille, bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, faded on the top edge. Guard has one small dent, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand side skirt. Left front door has two small dents, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt. Right rear door has four small dents, right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror, faded on the top edge. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, 6-stack CD player, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.